Make blueberry cream cheese muffins. Muffins are known as miniature cakes, but baked with the same purpose of providing a mouthful of goodness to anyone who eats it. Although it is the bland version of cupcakes, muffins are slowly gaining variations when it comes to flavors. This recipe is sure to add as a new exciting twist for muffin recipes. Follow the recipe below to make blueberry cream cheese muffins. Have two categories of ingredients. One group is for muffin making and the other group is for creating the toppings to be placed later on. Ready the ingredients on your baking table. The ingredients include 2 cups of all-purpose flour, ½ cup of butter in room temperature, ½ cup of milk, a cup of sugar, 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, ½ teaspoon of lemon extract and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Bake some delicious muffins. Mix together the butter and the sugar. Continue doing so in a large mixing bowl until a creamy blend is achieved. Add the eggs while continuously mixing. Afterwards, add the flour, cinnamon, baking powder, lemon extract and milk. Buttermilk can be used as well as ordinary kinds of milk. Mix well. Vanilla is an optional ingredient for this. Decide whether to add it for taste and smell enhancement of the muffins. Grease your muffin pan so you have a solid shape for removing when the muffins are done. You may grease it using butter and little bit of flour. Do not fill the muffin cups to the brim. Rather, leave behind about 1/3 part of the cup. This will give way to the expanding muffins, while the baking process is going on. Bake the muffins under 375 degrees Celsius of heat for about 20 minutes. To make sure that the muffins are fully ready, insert a fork into one of them and see if any muffin part sticks to the fork while you're pulling it out. If there are still muffin parts sticking, it's not yet ready. Create the toppings for the blueberry cream cheese muffins. Here are the ingredients: 6 ounces of softened cream cheese, ½ cup of sugar, 1½ cup of freshly picked blueberries, and 2 tablespoons of butter in room temperature. Crush the blueberries for ease in mixing it together with the cheese, sugar, and butter. Use low heat so the mixture can blend with each other well. Continue stirring until a consistent and thick mixture is achieved. With this consistency, the topping would be easily spread on top of the muffins. Try a generous portion of the topping mixture per muffin. Serve immediately. Muffins are usually served for breakfast or an afternoon snack side by side with tea. With this particular muffin recipe, pair it with a cup of hot coffee or a glass of cold milk. It has long been part of the people's appetite ever since the early centuries. Think outside the box of corn-flavored muffins, and give the blueberry cream cheese a try and savor the taste of the fruit and the cheese combined.